Welcome back to Placements Nepal, your ultimate destination for job opportunities. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest job openings. Let's dive into today's exciting opportunity. So, talking about the job, as a full stack JavaScript developer, you'll have the chance to work on exciting projects. You will be responsible for building powerful backends with Node.js, engaging with MongoDB databases, and interacting with smart contracts using WAGMI assets and Ether.js. So, in this role, your responsibilities will include writing well-designed, testable, and efficient code, building reusable components and libraries for the future, troubleshooting and debugging to optimize performance, providing code documentation and other inputs to technical documents, participating in code reviews to ensure high quality work. To excel in this position, they have few requirements. So they are great understanding of JavaScript programming language, strong familiarity with Node.js execution environment, comfortable working with HTML and CSS, prior experience with React.js or Next.js, experience working with databases like MongoDB, knowledge of deploying server, microservices or APIs to production, familiarity with AWS Lambdas, API gateways and serverless JS, experience or knowledge of Ethereum smart contracts, Ether.js or Web3.js, understanding of server scaling and efficient database design, proactive problem solver with excellent time management and communication skills. If you meet this requirement and are dedicated to deliver optimal, efficient and logically structured code, then this opportunity is perfect for you. So how can you apply to this job? I have provided the link in the description of this video. Click on that and you will come to this interface. Then you have to click on this apply button. If you click on that, then it will ask you to sign up, and after that it will ask you resume here, and it will automatically get submitted. Your resume will be submitted. So if you get selected or shortlisted, then you will get a response mail in your mail ID that you have given here. So this is a great opportunity as a contractor. You'll have continuous project and you can earn more than 1 lakh per month sitting at your home working remotely. But also, if you showcase your skills and add value to your team, then there is plenty of room to grow and they will increase your salary too. So thank you for watching today's job opportunity video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting job openings. Stay tuned and keep exploring the possibilities with Placements Nepal.